character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Karikalambakkam.
I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK. Knowledge forever, love forever. It's my friend to see the portion. Lovely teachers and promising. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dilliyanur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.
Good evening my dear students. Now we are going to see Unit 2 Supplementary. Already we have seen prose and poem. Supplementary I have taken in the class. Just we will see the revision and we will see the sentence, we will see the question pattern for quarterly exam. Okay, now we will go to the story. Now we will see the characters in the story. Philip Slatherby, a man who aspires to become a politician. Okay, Mrs. Alpen Jago, a rich and influential lady of high rank. Bertie, son of Mrs. Alpen Jago. Okay, Claude People Casey, a friend of Slatherby. Is it clear? These are the characters which you should never forget in this story. Now we will go to the story. Philip Slatherby settled himself down in the almost empty railway carriage. Now he is in the empty railway carriage with the pleasant consciousness of being embarked and agreeable profitable pilgrimage. He was bound for Brill Manor. Where he is going? He is going to Brill Manor. Okay, the country residence of his newly achieved acquaintance to meet. Where he is going to meet Salpan Jago. Okay, to meet Mrs. Salpan Jago, he is going to Brill Manor. Honoria Salpan Jago was a person of some social importance in London. Who is Salpan Jago? She is some of the important person in London. She is having some influential in that country. Okay. So the country of Yorkshire, or at any rate the eastern division of it, was of immediate personal interest in the Philip Slatherby. Salpan Jago is so held for the government in the present parliament of gentlemen who did not intend to seek re-election. And Slatherby was under serious consideration by the party managers as his possible success and with luck. So Slatherby is trying to become a politician here. So he wants to meet the Salpan Jago with the help of, with the influence of Salpan Jago. He wants to become a political. Okay, so he is going to delighted at meeting Honoria at a small and friendly luncheon party. He is going to join with the friendly luncheon party. Okay, ma'am. Still more gratified when she had asked him down to her country house for the following Friday to Tuesday. She asked to come between Friday to Tuesday. He was obviously an approval, and if he could not secure the goodwill of his hostess, he might count on her nominating. So what he is saying, between Friday to Tuesday, Salpan Jago is asking to meet Slatherby here. Okay, if he is not going to meet her, he will be failed to find favor in her eyes. Well, the local leaders would probably cool off in their embryo enthusiasm for him. So if he is not going and meeting Salpan Jago, this option will not be getting for him again. So he is going. Okay, between that, what is happening before meeting Salpan Jago, what is happening for Slatherby, we will see. Among the passengers darted about on the platform awaiting their respective trains, Slatherby espied a club acquaintance and called him up to the carriage window for a chat. What happened? Among the passengers, some passengers were standing in the platform. Okay, so Slatherby was inside the train, so he is calling person to chat near to the carriage window for a chat. Okay, ma. Next, you are staying with Mrs. Salpan Jago for the week. He is talking to him that I am going to miss Mrs. Salpan Jago for the weekend. Okay, I expect you have a good time. What that person is saying? Very good, you are having a very good time. She has the reputation of being an excellent hostess. She will be useful to you. She is a very good hostess and she will be very useful to you. Okay, so take care, and saying goodbye to the Slatherby here. Okay, who is that person? Slatherby waved goodbye to his friend pulled up the window and turned his attention to the magazine lying on his lap. What he is saying? He said goodbye to his friend and pulled the window and turned his attention to the magazines. He turned the attention to the magazine which was lying on his lap. Okay, ma'am. He had scarcely glanced at a couple of pages. However, when his smoothed curse caused him to glance hastily at the only other occupant of the carriage. What happened? When he turned only 2 pages, he heard some person was cursing with a smoothened. Okay, my smoothened voice. Some person is cursing. His travelling companion was a young man of about 220 with dark hair, fresh complexion, and the blend of smartness and disarray that marks the costume of a nut who is bound on a rustic holiday. How the person is? The person who is accompanying with him, he had a black hair and a fair face, fair fresh complexion he is having, and he went somewhere and he is going for a rustic holiday. Okay, he was engaged in searching furiously and intellectually for some exclusive and non-existent object. He was searching for something which was exclusive and non-existent object. Okay, from time to time he dug a 6-penny bit out of a waistcoat pocket. From the time to time he is taking 6-penny from his pocket and again taking and keeping. Okay, a cigarette case, and what is inside this packet? A cigarette case, matchbox, latch key, silver pencil case, and railway ticket were turned out on the seat beside. He is taking all these things from the seat, taking all these things from the packets and keeping in the seat beside. But none of these articles seemed to afford him satisfaction. He is having all these things, but even though he was not satisfied, he cursed again. Again he started cursing, rather louder than before. He started cursing more louder than before. The vigorous Platinum did not draw forth any remark from Slutherby, who resumed his scrutiny of the magazine. What he is doing, he doesn't care about that person, the person who is searching and cursing. Just he is seeing, and again Slutherby started reading the magazine. Is it clear up to this para? I exclaimed a young voice presently. Didn't hear you say you were going down to stay with Mrs. Saltpan Jago at Brill Manor. Again he is explaining to himself that he is going to meet Mrs. Saltpan Jago at Brill Manor. What a coincidence, my matter. You know I am coming on there on Monday evening. What he is saying? He is saying that Monday evening I am coming there. So we shall meet. I am quite a stranger. Haven't seen the matter of 6 months at least. What he is saying? I am quite a stranger, but I have never met him for the past 6 months. I was away in the yachting. What is the meaning for yachting here? Boat race. He was in the boat race for past 6 months. I am Bertie, the second son. You know what he is saying? I am Bertie, the second son of Mrs. Saltpan Jago. An awfully lucky coincidence that I should run across someone who knows the matter. Just at this particular moment, I have done a damned awkward thing. What he is saying? For past 6 months, I didn't meet Mrs. Saltpan Jago. I went for yachting, means what, for the boat race. So you are lucky to meet my mother. So I'll come and join you on Monday. Like that he is saying, and I have done some rubbish works. What work? We will see that. Okay. Coming to the next para. Now you have lost something, haven't you? Said Slutherby. Now only Slutherby is asking, I think you have lost something. Not exactly, but left behind, which is almost as bad, just as inconvenient anyway. What he is saying? I don't know exactly whether I have lost it or not, but I have left it somewhere. I have come away without my sovereign purse with 4 quid in it. What he is saying? I have come away without my sovereign purse. He has come without his purse with 4 quid in it. Quid means, already I have told you what is that. Quid means pound, 1 pound here. Okay. All my worldly wealth for the moment. It was in my pocket, all right. When I was starting from my home, the purse was in my pocket just before I was starting, and then I wanted to seal a letter. Then he is going to seal a letter, and the sovereign purse happens to have my crest on it. What is the crest here? Crest means seal. So I whipped it out to stamp the seal with, and like a double distilled idiot. So what I did, when I took the purse to put the seal, I think somewhere I have missed it. I must have left it on the table. I think I would have left it on the table. I had some silver loose in my packet. Silver loose means what here? Some coins. I have some silver coins in my packets, but after I would pay for a taxi and my ticket, and I would only got this Florin little 6 pence left. What he is saying? I had some silver coins. While I was traveling, I paid for taxi and for my train ticket. Okay, now only I am having balance. I have only 6 pence left. I am stopping at a little country in near Brown Cay. Now where he is? He is in Brown Cay for 3 days fishing. Actually, Betty wants to go to Brown Cay for 3 days fishing. Not a soul knows me there. And my weekend bill and tips and cab to one to form the station and my tickets on to Brill. What he is saying? These are the things I have to spend. That will mount me up to 2 or 3 quid. I have to spend more than 3 days. That what all the things for fishing and for weekend bill and tips and for cab I have to pay. But for that I need 2 or 3 quid. At least 3 quid I need to face all this. If you wouldn't mind lending me £2.10 or 3 for preference, I shall be awfully obliged. What he is asking? He is asking for help. Can you help me for giving 2 or 3 quid? Okay. I shall be awfully obliged if I will pull me out of no end of a hole. What he is asking? If you help me, I will come and give you back the money. I think I can manage that. What Slatherby is saying? I think I can manage that, said Slatherby after a moment's hesitation. Immediately he didn't say how, he is saying with the hesitation. Slowly he is saying, okay, I think I can manage. Thanks awfully, it's a jolly good of you. What is Betty is saying here? Thanks a lot for saying this word. What a lucky thing for me that you have chanced across one of the matters, friend. It will be a lesson to me not to leave my excuse lying about anywhere when it ought to be in my pocket. So this is the lesson. Whenever I go, I have to check in the pocket whether I am having my purse or not. I suppose the moral of the whole thing is don't try and convert things to purpose for which they weren't intended. Still, when a sovereign purse has a crest on it. Now the Slatherby is asking, you said that you are having crest means crest on it. So what is your crest? Crest means what? Seal. What is your seal on the purse? Not a very common one. Not a very common one, said the youth. A demi-line holding a cross-leg in the paw. What he is saying? It is not a very common one. It is a demi-line holding a cross-leg in the paw. This is the seal of the Bertie. This is the seal of Bertie. When your mother wrote to me giving me a list of trains, she had, if I remember rightly, a greyhound cornet and her note paper, observed Slatherby. What Slatherby is asking? When I received a letter from your mother, I came to know that your crest is greyhound. Greyhound means what? Like a dog. Okay. Greyhound means it is a kind of dog. So what Slatherby is asking? When I received a note paper from your mother, I came to know that your seal was greyhound. But you are saying that your crest is what the crest is? Demi-line. Now you are saying that your crest is demi-line, but your mother's crest is greyhound. How is it possible? There was a silence for a moment or two, and the young man began to collect his fishing tackle and other belongings from the rack. What he is saying? He kept silent. But he is saying that is the Jago crest, responded to the youth promptly. The demi-line is the Saltpen crest. The Jago crest is my mother's crest and the demi-line is the Saltpen crest. We have the right to use both. As we are from the Saltpen family, we can use both the crest. But I always use the demi-line because after all we are really Saltpens. But what crest? Who is saying? Betty is saying I always like to use only the symbol of line. My mother always used to use this kind of dog crest. Okay. There was a silence for a moment or two, and the young man began to collect his fishing tackle and other belongings from the rack. What happened? Bertie started collecting all his things from the train, all his belongings like fishing tackle and the other things from the rack. Now his station has been next one. What he is saying? Bertie is saying to the Slatherby, is the next one. He announced. Bertie is saying to Slatherby that I am going to get down because it's the next station is the place where I have to get down. I have never met your mother, said Slatherby. What Slatherby is saying here? I have never met your mother. Though we have corresponded several times, already we have conversed many times. My introduction to her was through political friends. How the introduction was through them? It was only through the political friends. I have never met your mother directly, only through the conversation we have done. Does she resemble you at all in the future? I think your mother will be like you. I should rather like to be able to pick her out if she happened to be on the platform to meet me. I think your mother will come and pick me on the platform. She is supposed to be like me. Now Bertie is saying, yes, my mother used to be like me. She has the same dark brown hair. How the mother will be? Bertie is saying that Mrs. Salpanjagaw will be having the same dark brown hair. Brown color hair, it remains in her family. I say this is where I get out. Now what he is saying, my mother also have the same color of hair like me. Now I am going to get down. So goodbye said Slatherby. What good? Who is saying goodbye? Slatherby is saying to Bertie, goodbye. You have forgotten the 3 quid, said the young man, opening the carriage door and pitching his suitcase onto the platform. Now what he is doing, he is taking all the things from the train carriage, taking all the things from the carriage and going to the platform to the near to that door. Okay, now he is asking, you told me that you will be giving me 3 quid, you forgotten. I have no intention of lending you 3 pounds or 3 shillings, said Slatherby severely. What is he saying, Slatherby immediately? I can't pay for you. I can't pay for you, he is saying. But Bertie is saying, but you said, what Bertie is saying? But you said that you will help me. But you said you will help me. I know I did. My suspicions hadn't been roused then, though I had not necessarily swallowed your story. What Slatherby is saying, yes, of course I told you, but now I am not willing to help you in any way because the story what you have said is not believable. Okay, he is not believing the story said by Bertie. I laid a trap for you. I told you that I had never met Mrs. Salpanjagaw. As a matter of fact, I met her at lunch on Monday last. She is pronounced blonde. What's the Slatherby saying here? I told you that I have never met your mother, but last Monday I met Mrs. Salpanjagaw. As a matter of fact, okay, I met Mrs. Salpanjagaw in the lunch on last Monday, but she is pronounced blonde. What is the meaning for blonde here? Pale yellow. What is the meaning for blonde? Pale yellow. The train moved on, leaving the soy-distant cadet of the Salpanjagaw family cursing furiously on the platform. What again happening here? The train started moving, but the Salpanjagaw didn't help him like giving money. Okay, he didn't help Bertie in any way. Well, he hasn't opened his fishing expedition by catching a flat, chuckled Slatherby. He would have an entertaining story to recount at the dinner that evening, and his clever little trap would earn him applause as a man of resource and astuteness. What he is saying here, he is thinking of that Bertie. Slatherby is thinking of that Bertie and going, today evening while we are having dinner, we will be having a very good story said by who? Bertie. Okay. Now on the platform he was greeted seriously by a tall footman and noisily by Claude People Casey. Suddenly when he is on the platform, he is meeting a person. Who is that person? Claude People Casey. Who is the Claude People Casey? A friend of Slatherby. Okay man. Who had apparently travelled down by the same train. Unfortunately, they both are travelling in the same train, but they don't know. Okay, they are meeting only in the platform. Who? Claude People Casey and Slatherby. They are meeting in the platform, but they have been traveling the same train without knowing by themselves. So, hello Slatherby, you spending the weekend at the Brill. Now they both are meeting. So Slatherby and Casey is talking. They are saying, wow, very good, you are going to weekend, you are going to stay at the Brill in the weekend. Good, excellent. We will have a round of golf together. Tomorrow we will have a golf of round together. I will give you a revenge for Hoylake. Not a bad course here and an inland course go. Ha, here we are. Here is the car waiting for us and very nice to what they are saying. Okay, already we have played that. Now we will play tomorrow in the Hoylake. Okay, and of course we will meet tomorrow. Now the car has arrived, so we will go in the car. How car is? The car is looking very expensive and also very nice to see. The car which won the Casey's approval was sumptuous looking vehicle which seemed to be embody the last word in the elegance, comfort and locomotive power. How the car is looking? The car is looking very expansive, very elegance, comfort and in locomotive power. So the car has been in a rich and quality. Okay, when we are going in the car, we can see the differences. So the Slatherby is saying that he began running over the chief points of the perfection in the fitting and the mechanism of the car. Casey is telling here about the car production to the Slatherby. Slatherby here not a single word noted, not one of the details that were being expounded to him. What Slatherby is doing? Slatherby didn't even hear a single word said by Casey here, because he was concentrating on something else. His eyes were fixed on the door panel. Where his eyes were fixed on? His eyes were fixed on the door panel in the car, and which were displayed two crystals. What here is happening? In the car, two crystals were being displayed. What are the two crystals? That say demi line and a kind of dog. I told that Krishna. What is that Krishna name? Krishna name demi line and the greyhound. So he is thinking of this. In that car, he has found the display of two crystals. So what Casey did not give any reply to the Casey. He was just being calm. He had been silent himself nearly for an hour. He was nearly silent for an hour in the train, and his tongue was making up for lost time. Political gossip, personal answer and general observation flowed for him in an uninterrupted stream at the car sped along the country roads. What he is doing? For an hour he was silent in the train, and when the Casey was talking about the car, that time also he was silent. Now he started gossiping about the political, personal, and these are the general observation. These are the things he started talking with Casey. Now they are coming through the Dublin Labour, Prince Designate and Albania progress with an easy volubility to the account of an alleged happening at the 9th hole at the Sandwich. So these are the places they are crossing and coming. Now what the Slatherby is asking Casey? Slatherby is asking Casey about the women of about Salpanjago, how the woman is, how Salpanjago is. Now Casey is replying that she is a brilliant woman, level-headed, a clear thinker, knows exactly when to take up an individual or a cause, exactly when to let him or it to drop. What he is saying? He is a very brilliant woman and also level-headed and a very good clear thinker, and also he knows to take very good decision at what time, what decision has to be taken. So he is a very clever and intelligent lady. No repose, good appearance too, till she made that idiotic change. What the Casey is saying here, and also he looks with he is also a good appearance. She has a very good appearance till she made that idiotic change. What she has done to the beauty appearance, she had made some idiotic changes. We will see what is that change. Change, queried Slatherby. What change? What he is asking? Slatherby is asking what change in his appearance. Already she has good appearance, but what is the use of changing here? What she has changed? Who is asking? Slatherby is asking to Casey. What change she has done? You don't mean to say, oh, of course, you have only known her just lately. Yeah, you have known only lately her. Before how she was? She used to have a beautiful dark brown hair. Before how she was used to have a beautiful dark brown hair, which went very well with her fresh complexion. How it was? She was having a dark brown hair, which was very much suiting her fresh complexion. But the one day, about 5 weeks ago, she electrified everybody by appearing as a brilliant blonde. Before 5 weeks ago, what she done? She had a brilliant blonde. Blonde means what I said, pale yellow color. So she has changed the hair into pale yellow color. Quite trained her looks. Here we are. I say, what's the matter with you? Look rather ill. What happened here? He is being sad. Who is being sad? Slatherby is being sad. He is thinking of Bertie. What Bertie said? Bertie said that my mother will be looking like me. Our family, we all will be having a brown hair. But when Slatherby was seeing her in a blonde, pale yellow color. Before 5 weeks only, she changed. But the Bertie, her son, didn't meet her mother for past 6 months. So the Bertie doesn't know that her mother has changed the appearance of brilliant blonde. So Slatherby was worried. Oh, we didn't help Bertie, and also we didn't believe Bertie what he said already. But Bertie had said only the truth. But what Slatherby didn't listen or believe that he has said the truth. He thought that Bertie had said some lies. But the salt pen Jago has changed its color before 5 weeks ago. This is the story. Is it clear? My dear students, now we'll see the question pattern for quarterly exam. Okay. You are having your portions is unit 1 and unit 2. So you are having totally only two units. First, all the questions will be from the book back questions. Okay. Now we'll see first Roman letter is for 20 marks. Objective type. All the questions will be for objective type. Next, part B. Read the following poetic lines and answer it. Questions will be asked from poetic lines and you have to answer for it. For that you will be getting 8 marks. In part C, answer the following questions. The questions will be asked from the prose. For that 5 into 2, 10 marks. Next, in the C Roman letter from poem. From the poem we will be asking like rhyming words, figure of speech. These all the things will be asked. For that 3 into 3, 9 marks. Now in part D, you will be having the developing the hints. For developing the hints, what you have to do? You have to write a paragraph and you have to say the moral of the story. Next, notice writing. You will be having the notice writing. Then pie chart. Pie chart will be given and the questions will be asked. For that you have to answer the questions. Advertisement. Already you know how to write the advertisement. Then read the passage. Passage will be given and questions will be asked. From that you have to read the passage and answer the questions given below. These are the question pattern for your quarterly exam. Now I think we have finished unit 1 and unit 2. Now tomorrow next class will start with grammar parts. Okay. My dear students, we have completed the quarterly portions unit 1 and unit 2 and also I have given you the question patterns. I hope you are clear with this. Next class I will start with the grammar session will start with grammar. Your presentation should be very neat and clear. You prepare well for your exam. Do good. All the best. Do well. Thank you my dear students.
Character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Curriculum Podcast.
I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK. Knowledge forever, last forever. Faithful friends to see the culture. Lovely teachers and promise. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dillianur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.